Fourth largest whale buying this crypto token in millions. You definitely want to know what this is all about. I smell a whale and I see one too. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, this is happening. Top whale buys 53 million Dogecoin. You probably already guessed it, that they're buying Dogecoin. So let me go ahead and go right over here and I'll just highlight this area right there if I can highlight it. Okay. According to whale stats, the top BNB whale, Sabo, purchased 53 million Dogecoin worth $4 million on November 21st. The whale now has Doge holding worth of 5.79 million in the wallet. Now the total value of the wallet is over $55 million, with Binance Peg Bitcoin at the largest holding worth 24.89 million. Also, Binance Peg Ethereum token is the second largest holding worth over $24 million. Now Dogecoin remains in the top 10 purchase tokens among the top biggest BSC whales in terms of 100s in the last 48 hours. Other whales are purchasing Doge in the last 24 hours. So Dogecoin is becoming even more popular. Now, Doge coming to Twitter. Dogecoin could also become the crypto token of social media giant Twitter. Elon Musk hinted at Dogecoin integration into Twitter, causing Doge price to hit 15 cents in 1 week. All right. Do you think this is a good idea as well, of Dogecoin being integrated into Twitter? I think if there's some value with that, why not? Why not? Maybe consider some other ones there as well. ClearCryptos, right? Just joking. Okay. However, Doge continues to slide lowering following the FTX crisis. The Doge price hit that price here, 0.072 during the debacle. Meanwhile, Dogecoin investors remain confident over Elon Musk bringing Dogecoin to Twitter. Experts believe Doge price may hit $1 if Elon integrates the meme token into Twitter. So whales are already buying Dogecoin, so they may know something that's maybe happening, because if you're getting $53 million worth of Dogecoin, you know something, and the whales do right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.